Okay, so I'm definitely done now. Definitely. Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. I hope you guys are having a phenomenal, tremendous, terrific, phenomenal, beautiful, amazing day. Okay? And if not, do understand and get that your day is going to get better once your perception gets better. My name is Dina Bryan. I do some shopping videos, I do inspiration videos, and today we are doing a shopping video at Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have inside. So I only need a few items. Okay. Um, just a few. I know I need some gloves, sandwich bags. They have these really, really good sandwich bags. Okay. Gloves, sandwich bags, wipes, and paper towels. So I guess this thing right here is new. Okay, garbage disposal clean. So the people that's out there that has, you know, the garbage, like the drain that you could put the garbage and stuff and the food in and it disposed. Okay, this is really good. Okay, this is a cleaner. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these good and clean disinfectant wipes. Dollar Tree, they had, oh my goodness, this real big thing of wipes for $1.25, and I guess they like sold out really, really quick. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this. These are really good. I had got the yellow ones, but I'm gonna try this. Okay, so I guess this is new right here, carpet and room deodorizers. I haven't seen this except for today. Okay, and also they have this right here. This reminds me, I think it was Airwick. Okay, air freshener and smoke odor eliminator. Okay, so I had just came across this. Oh, child. Okay, so if you have, I believe is the refill, you know, the plug-in thing. Honey, I'm having a brain freeze. So the plug-in thing, okay, from like Bath and Body Works. Okay, I believe this takes it, but don't quote me on that, my loves. So they probably had put this out yesterday. These refills, okay, and I only see two, the lemon one and the lavender. I'm gonna go ahead and get the lemon one. So they also have these stanky bowls, deodorizers that's shaped like this. These are cute. Okay, so I'm definitely going to get one of these, and this has bleach, lavender, and vanilla scent. Okay, so they have the ice trays back with the lids, and this is really, really good because right here you could just open it and you could pour the liquid and stuff inside here. They have these flushable wipes, which is really, really good with vitamin E and aloe, alcohol free for sensitive skin. Okay, so they have these special moments memory photo frame, and they have a few of these. These are so cute. And they have the little magnet thing on the back of them. You could put on the fridge or something like that. They also have these war decals over here. And then this was really, really nice to me. This is our happy place, relax and unwind, make yourself at home. So this is really, really cool. This is a magnet thing that you could like write on. This is cool, like Wi-Fi password. Really, really nice. They also have these different mirrors. Okay, they come in this color, this color, and then they also have this color. This is cool. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oatmeal enhanced shampoo deodorizer for your pets. Look at this. Okay, and now they also have this for your furry friends. Okay, look at this. This. Okay, chicken flavored. Okay. And these are filled bones. Okay, Dollar Tree coming with the peppery. Okay, look at this eucalyptus. Okay, honey, Dollar Tree is doing it for me. Okay, they doing it for me. But also get into this diffuser. Oh my goodness. Let me see 1 second, because I said I was in here for a few items. Okay, so this is a water diffuser. I'm trying to see if you could put oils in here or would it mess it up. Okay, but this looks good. Really good. They have these candles, and this one smells really, really good, like orange, citrusy. Okay, this smells good. But also look at these, okay? Healing. Okay, well, I'm going to say healing. Let's see how they smell. They don't really do it like give me that umph. Okay, they smell okay. But these, oh, these smell so good. Okay, and there's different ones. So they have the blue one, okay, and it doesn't say exactly, it just say bougie perfume. Okay, all right. The blue not really it for me, but this one is good. This one is really, really good. It smells really good. But we ain't here for that, okay? We ain't getting there. They also have these candles up here. These candles, they smell good, okay? And I'm noticing they starting to have like a lot of like natural eucalyptus and things like that. Even I showed you guys before the incense, okay, with the chakras and stuff like that is associated to your chakras, okay. These are super cute. So these are candle holders. Oh my goodness, they are nice. I like these. These are really, really cute. Okay, so I said I was going to get this. I need to get this. And then also I need something like this, the detangling brush. But I don't know if this... Wait, let me get the other one. I think this one is probably better. Okay, so this one is most likely better. Okay, so they have the hand sanitizer here. Okay. I know some of you guys was looking for the hand sanitizer, and I don't think this is the one that you guys was looking for. But the ones that they had that everybody was like going crazy for, I don't think they have anymore in this store. But this is also some hand sanitizer that they have as well. Oh my goodness. So I remember these when I was a kid. Like we used to eat these. These were so, so good. I'm going to get a few of these, about 2 boxes of these for my children for their snack at school. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have these now, overnight pads with aloe infused and lavender. Okay, 100% cotton cover. All right, and it's 6 that comes in a pack. Also, this feminine foam wash. Okay, I showed you guys this before. Creamy coconut, mandarin orange. Okay, so I believe they had got some more of the cleansing cloths. Okay, because these was in here last time. All right, and they come in different scents. Also, these Essentials Kids Face and Body Wet Wipes. Okay, so they have these vitamin C facial glowing wipes. Yeah, these are definitely no. Then they have the Vaseline Lip Therapy Cocoa Butter. They also have these disposable Adele underpads. Okay, so they have this right here, like bath bombs. Okay, I'm trying to see how many comes in here. Oh, 7. Okay, I think I'm gonna get this. I think I'm gonna get this to try it out. These disinfectant wipes right here. So they have this right here, Dino Dust, Fizzy Bath Dust for children. Okay. And I guess you just put this in the water. This is super cute. They also have this Dove, okay, hand cream, all right, for soft and hydrated skin. But also they have the flower bath salts, okay, over here. Then the Vaseline or purpose cream, okay. Okay, so this is dry co-wash and root touch-up. Okay, I guess this dodge right here is textured here. Okay, and we got a few of these. And this, I don't know, but this lotion, it just looks fancy. I guess like because of the bottle is in, right? But they also have these exfoliating, okay, masks for your feet. Oh, wow, so they have Nivea cream. Okay, oh, wow, look at this. And this is like the pocket travel size. They also have this matte setting spray up at the top, okay. Also, this foundation. Who remember these lip glosses back in the day? Okay. Honey, your lips was so shiny, okay? But they have these over here. But they also have the Rose Oil Lip Balm, which is here. I wonder how this is. Also have these bath bombs right here as well. Okay, and they come in different colors. We have this curl enhancer. These right here, these wipes right here, deodorizing face and body wipes. We have some more bath bombs right here. They also have vegan friendly nail polish. Honey, get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna get this nail polish right here. And then I'm also gonna get this white right here. Honey, when I tell you Dollar Tree is all right with me, okay, look at this luxury nail polish remover. Okay, and they have a few of these. They also have these face gems over here. This is cute. And then these jewelry mink lashes. Okay, so I am going to go and get this. You need to get, oh, I'm going to go and get this luxury nail polish remover. And I'm going to get one of these. I want to see how this nail polish is. It's a Color Vibe gel-like nail polish. So I'm going to get one of these. Okay, so they have this new Himalayan sea salt extra fine right here. They have coconut water, passion fruit juice. And then they also have the coconut water pineapple juice. Okay, so I'm going to get about 6 of these for my children for their school. These was really, really good last time. So I'm going to get 3 of the peanut butter and then 3 of the originals. Okay, so I'm going to get about 2 of these. These are reusable snack bags. And I'm going to get 2 packs of these. So I guess this is new right here. You know, to drain your pasta and stuff like that. But this is cute. This spatula they have right here. This is really, really cute. So I'm going to go in and get 1 of each. Honey, I don't even want to know my darn total for this. Okay, matter of fact, let me get the bigger ones. Also have this, I guess, for the microwave. Okay, but also the lid comes with it, which is really cute. Nice. Okay, Dollar Tree. Okay, I'm gonna get about 3 of these, honey, and I'm done. Okay, family, so make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I'll get you guys on the next one. Peace.